Good afternoon, naughty boy. This is Old Marina. Go ahead, sir.
Good afternoon. In Railway Dock. Would like to go out as soon as possible, please. Over.
Right about, there's been a big boat thing. Sorry.
Oh, is it? I thought it was worse than usual. Let's have a look. Let me just check. Okay, so they're all the same length, beautifully coiled there. 10. 10. Out! Oh, it's got corks on them. Until it seems good.
That's 1 in a million.
Slides, please.
Two coffees.
I have a coffee, thank you.
3 coffees. Monica?
Tea, please.
Tea.
Tea.
You know, one of the things about NAViGO, and even in the creation of the name, it was about this sense of navigation and the sense of moving forward. And we need to remember the kind of the heritage of North East Lincolnshire has been around the sea. You know, Grimsby exists because of the docks and the fishing industry. So I think it's really good to combine mental health services and opportunities with that great big natural resource that flows past the front of North East Lincolnshire all of the time. And you know, lots of people that come sailing with me talk about, you know, their grandfathers or their fathers have had boats or were trawlermen. So it is part of the heritage to you know, think about how we link mental health services and sailing and being on the water.
Water boat. I don't know, but no. To relax. Definitely, it takes your mind off things for a good while. And, you know, good company and all that. Barry's good to be around. And the rest of the crew are usually, the rest of the crew are always good as well.
NAViGO's really opened up the opportunity for me to continue this and pursue it as a career or just a hobby if that doesn't work out. It real chills you out when you're on the water. You do just sort of like forget what's going on in your other sort of areas and you just focus on what's in front of you, and it carries over for the rest of the day and normally for the rest of the week and improves your mood, definitely. There is definitely a dolphin that I saw.
Yeah, it's definitely got to be Barry. My confidence and enjoyment, happiness. I'm going to say happiness. It always brings a smile to my face when I get on and off the boat. So it's just so relaxing. And on days like this, it's heaven. And it's the sound of the water. It's learning how to sail the boat. It's just everything. So it's basically working as a team as well, which I couldn't have done before because my relationships are quite poor. So actually coming on and making new relationships with people that I've never met before. That's good.
Size. Not many people really get the opportunity to go on a sailing yacht of this size. So first of all, it's an opportunity, and why let an opportunity pass you by? You know, you're never going to know whether you like it until you try it. So that's the first thing, I think. It's just that opportunity. I think the second thing is, you know, you really will grow in confidence. You will learn new skills, even if it's just standing behind the wheel and helming for a little while. I guess the third reason is that it is just very relaxing. It's really hard to describe why it is so calming, but you know, being on the water is almost like a form of mindfulness. It's just, there's so little to do. It's very tranquil. You're sailing along. You're at one with nature, and you know, it's just the wind that's blowing you along.
Boomerang, take one.
You kids and your fancy apps.
You did fabulous. Take two.
Check this out.
Sorry,
That was so funny.
I'm not actually going to do that, Christ. Was that good enough?
Good, good.
Is there a banner behind me?
If you can lift the mug while you're saying that and have a sip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
NAViGate.
Can't even drink without laughing now.
Okay, that's a wrap. And gap.
Take three.
Donna.
Monica's not taking photos. Quick, take a photo of that.